Here we go with day 2 of what is an adverb. Yesterday we talked about adverbs, and that's our focus this week. First, before we get on to new topic, let's talk about what we discussed yesterday. Adverbs describe verbs, just like adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs. Some end in ly. Adverbs that answer the question how, like we talked about yesterday, typically end in ly. The ones we'll talk about today don't, but still can be identified pretty easily. Adverbs can come before or after the verb in a sentence. It doesn't matter where they fall, they're still an adverb. And then, like we talked about yesterday, some adverbs tell how an action happens. So today we're going to talk about two types of adverbs that answer two different questions. The first is adverbs that tell where. So they can tell where an action happens. So for example, a group of scientists will ski here. The verb in that sentence is will ski. Well, where will they ski? Here. So here is the adverb in that sentence. The other type of adverb is the one that tells when. It tells when something happens. So for example, yesterday it snowed in the mountains. Well, the verb in that sentence is snowed. When did it snow? Yesterday. That answers the question when. So we will ski later. First, I need to find the verb in that sentence. The verb in the sentence is will ski. Where will we ski, or when will we ski? When will we ski, and what word answers that question? Later. So the adverb in the sentence is later. Here's another one. The girls skied ahead. Well, where's the verb? Not the adverb, but the verb. The verb is skied. Where did the girls ski? Ahead. So the adverb in the sentence is ahead. Here are your practice questions. You are going to have to write the adverb in each sentence. Then, on the second line, you are going to have to write if it says where or when to tell how it describes the verb. So the first thing, I did not underline the verbs for you. You will have to identify the verb in the sentence. Then you will have to identify the adverb and decide, does the adverb answer the question where, or does the adverb answer the question when? You have two blanks to fill in. The first blank is the adverb. The second blank is the word where or when.